Peace and wonders, fam. I trust that you're having a beautiful day, manifesting the innate gifts that are from within. We're dealing still with the reprogramming of the self and modalities that we can utilize to benefit this process and move this process along swiftly. What we have as a tool is the ability to utilize what is called procedural memory. We have episodic memory and we have what is called procedural memory amongst the memories that we have. Episodic memories is remembering episodes and things of that nature, things that have happened. Procedural memories means that we're remembering the process of doing things. We utilize this memory to break bad habits that have brought us to the brink of self-destruction. We use the procedural memories, meaning that we go and choose a procedure that we want to engage in a new habit in order for us to install that habit into our brains as a neural network and something that we automatically do. This is called procedural memory, and this can be used to our advantage if we utilize the process. Again, reprogramming oneself is a process. Many modalities help and assist in this. The modalities of meditation, yoga, exercise, mindfulness, breathing, being present. All these things are essential in the process of renewal, meaning the renewing of the brain, disconnecting from the program and reprogramming ourselves for a higher elevation, higher vibration, and higher behavior aspects as we engage in a new way of living. Peace.